Okay, we're here at GoToMath.com working some calculus. Let's go down to related rates, and 10-2 is somewhere. Can we get it to come up, please? There it is. We have the area of a rectangle is increasing with respect to time. Find dA over dt when W is equal to 10 centimeters and L is equal to 3 centimeters and da 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 da. Well, let's write all this down here quickly on a piece of paper or scratch it in the sand, or I don't care what you do. Write it on the wall. Let's see, you can write it on your friend. We're looking for dA over dt. We got W is equal to 10. How come people don't get tattoos of math problems? Maybe that's what they ought to do. Let's get a trend started here on the planet. L is equal to 3 centimeters. I'm not much into tattoos, to be honest with you. I've never had one, so I figure if I want to draw, I'll draw on a piece of paper, draw on a canvas, and then sell it. I don't know. I got my own opinions about that. We got dW over dt is equal to 9 centimeters per second, and then dL over dt is equal to 6 centimeters per second. Okay, so this is a rectangle that's changing, and it looks like it's growing since dW is positive and dL is positive. Let's move over to the whiteboard and get busy. So we have this rectangle. I guess we'll use blue ink again. And wow, man, I am drawing a pretty legit rectangle there. So W, we got W, we'll say this is W and this is L. Alright, so this thing is growing. We'll indicate dotted lines that it's growing. How's that? It's growing, 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 and gone. Anyway, these are, what do we ask to find? I forgot. dA over dt. So we're asked to find dA over dt, which means that we need to come up with a formula for the area. Okay, the area of this rectangle. And you know what? That's pretty easy, actually. Area is equal to W times L. Area is equal to W times L. But we need to find dA over dt, which means we got to take the derivative of this thing. Let's actually write down all the stuff they gave us. So we had W is 10 centimeters. L is 3 centimeters, and dW over dt is equal to 9 centimeters per second. And let's see if we can squeeze in whoa, that's supposed to be a T right there. dL over dt is equal to 6 centimeters. You're like, well, when am I ever going to use this? Well, we got to start with the easy stuff first, then you can work up towards more difficult. So we got the derivative. This becomes dA over dt. Now we're going to take the derivative of W. W is 1, then we just say dW over dt, and then rewrite L plus, and then rewrite W. Derivative of L is 1, then we write dL over dt. Okay? And then, of course, we just plug in everything they gave us. So dW over dt is 9 centimeters. dL or L is 3 centimeters. W is 10. And dL over dt is 6 centimeters per second. And of course, this is dA over dt. Okay, so we got 27 plus 60. Here, we won't skip any arithmetic steps. How's that? And of course, that's going to be 60, 70, 87, right? 87. And so this ends up becoming, now don't forget your units over here. This is an area. So this would be centimeters squared per second dA over dt is equal to 87 centimeters per second. Now let's go over and make sure the script is correct. Now of course it said round to 2 decimal places, so we just went ahead and threw on 2 zeros on the end. Alright, 0.00 centimeters squared per second. Okay. And remember, that's right there where you can work that problem out in that section. Alright, see you there. Bye.